It's no secret that the moving average pullback is one of the most unreliable setups that you can trade. In this short video, we are going to discuss 3 things that you can do to make the moving average pullback one of your favorite trading setups. We begin by applying our singular moving average. Then we will stack that moving average with key trading levels. And finally, implement a pinpoint entry strategy to find the precise point of entry in order to reduce false signals and increase win rates. Once you are finished with this video, you are welcome to download the free cheat sheet, which includes all of the rules and processes for successfully trading this setup on your own. Links will be below in the description. The first step that we are going to take for this strategy is to go into your settings and input the 32-period exponential moving average. This is a moving average that we use in order to not only replace the 20 and 50-period moving averages, but also to assist in reducing the amount of false signals that we would get from the 20-period moving average, while still benefiting from the reliability that the 20 and 50 can provide. The 32-period exponential moving average is plotted for the purpose of representing the zone between the 20 and 50-period moving averages. It is important to note that we do not take trades off of the pullback to the moving average. Instead, we will be taking pullback trades off of the key trading levels. Step number 2 is to plot all key trading levels onto the daily chart. The way the key trading levels work are as follows. If you are trading any intraday chart, you will draw support and resistance levels onto the daily chart, and then zoom back into the time frame that you were trading, where you will then use those levels to look for high probability trade entries. For example, if you're trading the 5-minute chart, then you will zoom out to the daily chart and draw your levels of support and resistance there. Once you have all of those levels in place on the daily, then you will zoom back into the 5-minute chart, where you will then use those levels in order to identify high probability points at which you might enter a trade. One key to remember is that you do not want to have the support and resistance from the 5-minute chart plotted when you are trading on the 5-minute chart. Instead, you will be watching the support and resistance from the daily chart and using those levels to trade inside of the 5-minute chart. This rule applies to any intraday chart, like the 1 hour as well, always using the daily chart for key trading levels. For those of you who want to trade off of the daily chart, simply plot your support and resistance onto the weekly or even monthly charts and then zoom back into the daily. This will give you only the key trading levels needed in order to trade this setup on the daily charts. The weekly chart will provide you with more key trading levels than the monthly chart would. Key trading levels are imperative to the success of this setup. When you plot your key levels, remember that less is more. The purpose of doing our support and resistance levels in this way is to once again reduce false signals. So, focus on plotting these levels only at the clear and obvious points. Do not be overly aggressive plotting every single point that you see. The fewer, more accurate levels that you plot, the fewer losing trades that you will have. We can increase our win rate through the process of decreasing our losses. The last trick to getting high probability trade setups from the moving average pullback is through an entry strategy that will give us the exact moment at which we should enter the trade. A trade is only safe to enter if a clear signal and trigger bar are established after price has touched our key trading level. For our entry strategy, we will be using a set of 2 candlesticks. The first candlestick will have to give us a Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new. Also, don't forget to save this video in your trading folder so that you can revisit us in the future. An occasional refresher on this material will only help to solidify these concepts further. I wish you the best of luck in your trading. Always remember to trade safe, trade smart, and trade profitably. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.